What if your bank understood you better than you understand your own finances? What if every time you switch channels from app to SMS to email, the bank already knows what you need before you even ask? That's not a future fantasy, it's happening right now. In 2026, omnichannel banking powered by Kasatu isn't just a trend, it's the new standard for how financial services operate, predict needs, prevent fraud, and deliver personalized experiences across every device and touchpoint you use. If you want to understand how your money, your data, and your financial decisions are being shaped by technology and what it means for your financial life, this video will open your eyes to the next frontier of banking. What is omnichannel banking? Modern banking is no longer confined to a physical branch or a single app. Customers today expect seamless, consistent experiences whether they're using a mobile app, visiting a website, engaging via SMS, or talking to support on social media. This holistic approach to customer interaction is known as omnichannel banking. Unlike traditional banking models, where each platform or channel operates independently, omnichannel banking connects every touchpoint into one unified experience. For example, if you start a loan application on your phone, the system remembers where you left off if you switch to a tablet or even continue it with a customer service representative. The goal is simple but transformative. Every interaction should feel connected, personalized, and proactive, regardless of how or where it happens. Why omnichannel banking matters? You might wonder, why does this shift matter? The answer lies in customers' expectations and the competitive landscape of financial services. Modern consumers don't want isolated experiences. They want smooth, responsive, and intelligent interactions across any platform they choose. According to industry studies, personalization is a major deciding factor for customers when choosing their bank. This means that customers expect financial institutions to know them, not just as account numbers, but as individuals with goals, habits, and preferences. Omnichannel banking gives banks the ability to understand customer behavior across channels, deliver consistent, unified experiences, predict and solve problems before they arise, reduce frustration from repetitive or disjointed interactions, increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term engagement. This isn't just luxury, it's becoming a baseline expectation in 2026. The role of AI in omnichannel banking. Kasatu isn't just a feature, it's the backbone of effective omnichannel banking. Without Kasatu, banks can't analyze massive amounts of data in real time, predict customer needs dynamically, or personalize interactions in a meaningful way. 1. Real-time personalization. Every click, tap, and scroll you make tells a story about your financial needs. Kasatu analyzes this data to tailor experiences across channels, whether it's real-time messaging in a banking app, contextual email follow-ups, or SMS reminders that feel relevant and timely. Accenture research shows that personalization matters more than ever. Customers expect financial services to know their preferences and respond in ways that feel intuitive and relevant. 2. AI-powered proactive support. Kasatu doesn't wait for trouble, it anticipates it. Chatbots and virtual Kasatu assistants don't just react to questions, they proactively suggest actions like budgeting tips, bill reminders, and financial goal nudges across multiple channels. These AI assistants aren't isolated. When integrated into an omni-channel ecosystem, they ensure continuity. The conversation you started in the app can continue over SMS without losing context. 3. Predictive banking experiences. Kasatu models can predict customer needs before they arise. For example, if spending patterns suggest you're at risk of overshooting your budget, the system might send a tailored alert and choose the most effective channel to reach you based on your interaction behavior. This predictive capability isn't random. It uses behavioral analytics and machine learning to estimate the best message at the right time and on the right platform for each customer. Seamless cross-channel integration. Omnichannel banking means data flows freely between channels, creating a unified profile of the customer. This is made possible through technologies like customer data platforms, systems that consolidate information from all touchpoints into a single, coherent view. Imagine the alternative. Your mobile app knows one thing, your branch records know another, and your call center has a third, none of which are connected. This fragmentation creates poor experiences and frustrated customers. With a unified data view, Customer preferences follow them. Past interactions inform future conversations. Systems coordinate messages across email, SMS, push notifications, and in-app content. Support agents see the full history before engaging. This is why omnichannel isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic advantage that builds trust and consistency. Real-world A+1 Omnichannel use cases. Here's how omnichannel plus A+1 works in action. 1. Proactive financial insights. An A+1 engine may detect unusual spending and immediately send a push notification plus an email summary with suggestions, keeping the alert visible and actionable across platforms. This reduces the chances you'll miss critical alerts. 2. Fraud detection and alerts. A+1 monitors millions of transactions and identifies anomalies that may indicate fraud. The system then triggers the alert via the most urgent channel, often SMS or push, ensuring you see it even if you aren't actively using your app. 3. Personalized product offers. If AI detects that your financial behavior signals readiness for a savings account upgrade or a loan offer, it can suggest that offer at the right moment, sometimes first through the app and later through email or SMS if you didn't engage initially. This multi-channel reminder strategy increases relevance and conversion. 4. Cross-device continuity. You begin a support conversation on your mobile app, then switch to email follow-ups, and the system remembers everything. No more repeating information, no more lost context. That's omnichannel at its finest. Customer support reimagined with AI. Omnichannel banking transforms support from reactive to proactive. A+1 chatbots and virtual assistants. A+1 support agents can now handle a majority of routine inquiries, from balance questions to transaction details, without human intervention. Some systems even handle over 98% of interactions automatically. But the real power comes when these A+1 agents are integrated into the broader omnichannel system, seamlessly handing over to human support when necessary, while keeping the customer's journey continuous across platforms. Security, trust, and AI. With increased digital engagement comes increased responsibility. Omnichannel systems must balance personalization with privacy and security. A+1 plays a crucial role in fraud detection, anomaly monitoring, and risk prediction, ensuring that systems can flag suspicious behavior fast and across all channels. Modern systems often differentiate between urgent alerts, informational notifications. This channel differentiation ensures that security messages receive priority and visibility when needed. Future trends. What's next for omnichannel banking? As we move further into 2026, A+1 predictive banking will deepen. Banks will increasingly anticipate needs, not just react to requests, using data across channels and behavioral analytics. Integrated financial wellness tools. Rather than offering isolated products, banks will build ecosystems, integrated financial planning, budgeting help, saving suggestions, and loan guidance, all personalized and delivered where customers interact most. Emotion-aware and contextual AI. Going beyond simple personalization, some algorithms will adapt based on emotional signals, tailoring communication style and tone according to user sentiment. Voice-enabled banking expansion. A+1 voice agents will allow users to interact through natural speech across multiple channels, further reducing friction and expanding accessibility. Conclusion: why omnichannel banking matters to you. Omnichannel banking isn't just a technological upgrade. It's a redefinition of how financial services engage, anticipate, and serve customers. It brings seamless continuity across channels, personalized experiences powered by A+1, predictive, proactive engagement, reduced friction and confusion, stronger customer trust, and financial literacy. As financial institutions adapt, customers will benefit from systems that respond not just to what they ask, but to what they need, often before they know they need it. If you want more insights on how technology is changing the way banking works, from A+1 tools to omnichannel strategy and beyond, hit A+1KE, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your biggest omnichannel experience as a customer.